When you push in your clutch and try to start your Z, does it take a few tries to start or not at all? Your clutch pedal switch could be going bad. This is your clutch pedal switch location on your Z. Tools required: 14mm wrench, new clutch pedal switch. Pliers are optional. Step 1. Disconnect blue connector on the back of the switch. Step 2. Loosen the 14mm nut. Step 3. Spin the switch out. You can use pliers, but not required. To install new switch. Step 1. Rotate the switch. When you press the clutch, it should press the button all the way. Step 2. Tighten the nut until the switch is locked in place. Step 3. Put the blue connector back into the switch. The 370C has the same clutch pedal switch in the same spot. You can take the same steps to replace it. Warning: there might be a different part number between them both. Make sure it's the right part for your car. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.